Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video. So guys, in this video I want to show you how to fix this phone number cannot be used at this time, try again later issue on your iPhone. So guys, if you are trying to verify your phone number but you are facing this issue and you are unable to do this, here I will show you how can you fix this issue. So guys, for that you have to simply watch this video till the end. So guys, the very first solution for this problem is that you have to simply change your internet connection. If you're using Wi-Fi, then use your mobile data, and if you're using mobile data, then use your Wi-Fi and check if the problem is fixed or not. And if the problem is still there, then go for the next solution. That is, you have to simply sign out your Apple ID from your device for one time, and after this, sign in your Apple ID again on your device. So guys, do this and check if the problem is fixed or not, and if the problem is still there, then go for the next solution. That is, you have to simply set your date and time and set the region of your device as well. So guys, for that, open settings and then go to general and then scroll it below and go to date and time and set your date and time from here, or turn on the toggle for set automatically. After this, go back and go to date and time, and then you have to simply turn on the toggle for set automatically. After this, scroll it below and tap on language and region. Tap on a region and select your country or region correctly. So guys, do this and check if the problem is fixed or not, and if the problem is still there, then you have to update your software to the latest version. So I simply update your software to the latest version, and after this, check if the problem is fixed or not, and if the problem is still there, then go to support app, and from here you can get any kind of support from the Apple team regarding this issue. So guys, hopefully they will try to fix this problem for you within 24 hours. So guys, that's it for today's video. Hope this video helps you. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.